Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of cryptocurrency, especially Ethereum, you know how crucial it is to handle transactions smoothly and securely. Today, we're tackling how to send ETH from Phantom in 2025. Phantom is one of the most user-friendly wallets out there, and with the latest updates, sending ETH is easier than ever. Whether you're sending funds to a friend, making a purchase, or investing, this step-by-step guide will have you covered in no time. First things first, make sure you have the Phantom Wallet app installed on your device. If you don't, head to the App Store or Phantom's official website to download it. Always use official sources to avoid scams. Once you're in, open the app and unlock your wallet using your password or biometric authentication for added security. Now, let's get to the fun part. Navigate to the Send tab, usually found at the bottom of the screen. Here, you'll need to enter the recipient's Ethereum address. Double-check this address carefully. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Next, specify the amount of ETH you want to send. Remember, you'll see a breakdown of fees, which might include network costs, so keep an eye on that to avoid surprises. Before you hit send, take a moment to review everything. Phantom will show you a summary of the transaction, including the recipient, amount, and estimated gas fees. If everything looks good, confirm the transaction. You'll be prompted to sign it with your wallet, which adds an extra layer of security. Once sent, sit tight while the transaction processes on the Ethereum blockchain. In 2025, with advancements like Ethereum 3.0, this should be faster than ever, but it can still take a minute or two depending on network congestion. You can track your transaction status using tools like Etherscan. A quick tip: always use a hardware wallet for larger amounts to enhance security, and never share your private keys. If you run into any issues, Phantom's support resources are top-notch. There you have it. Sending ETH from Phantom is straightforward and secure when you follow these steps. If this tutorial helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.